Listen to the story carefully.
The New Year's resolution. It was the first day of the new year. Lily sat at her kitchen table, drinking a cup of tea. She looked outside and saw the snow falling gently. It was cold, but she felt warm inside. She thought about the past year. It had been a good year, but she wanted this year to be even better. Lily decided that she wanted to make a change. She wanted to learn something new in the new year. I want to learn how to cook, she said to herself. I've never been good at cooking, but this year will be different. Lily had always eaten fast food or simple meals. She didn't know how to make anything special. But this year, she was going to try. She wanted to cook healthy meals and share them with her friends and family. The next day, Lily went to the store. She bought vegetables, chicken, and rice. She was excited but also nervous. She had never cooked a full meal before. She looked at the recipe she found online and started to follow the steps. First, she washed the vegetables. Then, she cut the chicken into small pieces. She put everything in a pan and started to cook. The kitchen smelled good. She smiled and thought, this is easy. After 30 minutes, the food was ready. Lily put the food on a plate and took a bite. It was delicious. She couldn't believe she made it herself. She felt proud. She had learned something new, and it felt great. The next day, Lily called her best friend, Emma. Hi, Emma. I made a New Year's resolution to learn how to cook, and I did it. I cooked a healthy meal yesterday. Would you like to come over and try it? She asked. Emma was excited. Wow, that's amazing, Lily. I would love to come over and try your food. I'm so proud of you. Later that day, Emma came to Lily's house. They sat at the table and ate the meal together. Emma smiled and said, "This is really good, Lily. You should cook more often. You're a great cook." Lily laughed. "Thank you, Emma. I am so happy you like it. I am going to keep cooking and try new recipes. Maybe next time, I will cook a cake." Emma thought for a moment. "I want to make a New Year's resolution too," she said. "I want to start exercising. I don't exercise much, but I want to be healthier this year." Lily smiled. "That's a great idea, Emma. We can help each other. I'll cook healthy meals for us, and you can help me stay active. We can go for walks or try yoga together." Emma agreed. "That sounds perfect. We'll both learn something new this year." From that day on, Lily and Emma worked together. Lily cooked healthy meals, and Emma exercised more. They supported each other and made their New Year's resolutions come true. Soon, their friends noticed the changes. They saw how happy and healthy Lily and Emma were. Some of them decided to make their own resolutions. One friend wanted to learn a new language, and another wanted to read more books. They all inspired each other. Lily was happy. She had learned how to cook, and she had inspired her friends to make changes too. She realized that making a New Year's resolution was not just about improving herself, but also about helping others. As the year went on, Lily felt proud of everything she had learned. She had kept her resolution and made her life better. She was excited to see what new things she would learn in the future.
Quiz time. Answer the questions. And test yourself. What did Lily decide to do for the new year? A. Travel the world. B. Learn how to cook. C. Start a new job. What did Lily buy at the store? A. Clothes. B. Vegetables, chicken, and rice. C. Books. How did Lily feel when she cooked her first meal? A. Sad. B. Proud. C. Angry. Who did Lily call to tell about her cooking? A. Her mother. B. Her friend Emma. C. Her teacher. What did Emma think about Lily's cooking? A. It was delicious. B. It was too spicy. C. It was bad. What did Emma decide to do for her New Year's resolution? A. Start reading books. B. Learn to cook. C. Start exercising. What did Lily and Emma decide to do together? A. Go for walks and try yoga. B. Cook together. C. Go to the movies. What did Lily want to cook next time? A. A salad. B. A cake. C. Soup. How did Lily and Emma help each other? A. Lily helped Emma with her homework. B. Emma helped Lily with cooking. C. Lily cooked healthy meals and Emma exercised. What did Lily learn from her New Year's resolution? A. It was hard to keep resolutions. B. She didn't like cooking. C. She could inspire others and help them too.